Hello guys, and welcome back to another vlog. In tonight's vlog I am going to make for you guys a coffee with little cinnamon donuts. Now back here you see all three of them, and that's because I am very undecisive and I could not make up my mind of which donut I wanted to use. So I bought all three, like what the heck, why not, right? But I think I finally decided that I'm going to end up using the cinnamon. So stay tuned for this very delicious and special coffee and see what I end up doing with the donuts. We give this a stir. And a bite of the donut. Totally delicious. And as always, please remember to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.